Hi, I'm Will with Lanaak. We're going to make a quick start video here to show you how to get started and set up with your new fishing gear. So I've got our rod and reel right here in my hands. It's a telescoping rod, so it collapses, and it should arrive collapsed like this one is here. So the first thing we want to do is find the tip of the line. There's probably going to be a little plastic tab on there. You can just pull that off or clip it off with some nail clippers. So step one, we want the tip of the line, and we're going to thread it through each of the eyelets on the rod. Just like threading a needle through each of these little eyelets. Press the release button on the reel. That'll let you pull out line. Pull out maybe 6 feet, 2 arm lengths, then give it a crank, and you're ready to extend the rod. So to do this, keep gravity on your side. If you have the reel pointed down and all the eyelets hanging down, that'll help keep things lined up. Extend each section, starting with the fattest section. Gently snug up each joint. You don't have to pull on them too hard. There's this hole in the tip of the reel. We want each of these eyelets to be in a nice line with that hole. So I get it, and you can sight down the rod, make little adjustments where everything's in a line. The last thing we want to check on is the drag adjustment. This is important. It's this black knob on top of the reel, and if the drag's set too light, the reel won't work right. It won't pull in line when you reel. So go ahead and spin that towards the plus sign till you start to feel a little resistance in the knob, and that's probably a pretty good place to be. So those are the first steps to get started and ready to start fishing. You can check out our next video and we'll go over basic skills in rigging so that you can get out and start catching some fish.